It's the most iconic sandwich. A grilled cheese is the pinnacle of comfort food, and it's hard to beat that cheesy, carby combo, but you can class it up. A few ingredient upgrades make this the ultimate ooey gooey sandwich. Sally Humeniuk is here with Cache Valley Creamery, and she joins me in the kitchen. Sally, there is not a lot of people that would turn down a grilled cheese sandwich, but you're telling me you're making it better.
I am.
Oh, Sally.
I'm doing a best take on the classic.
Okay, how does this go from classic to ultimate?
Okay, so if you're gonna take on a grilled cheese sandwich, I knew I had to, obviously the most important ingredient is the cheese. So I had to get the best of the best.
The best of the best, and that is?
Cache Valley Creamery
Cache Valley Creamery.
Utah's #1 brand of cheese.
This is actually the cheese. I mean, shameless plug. This is the cheese I buy.
Oh, they have such great variety in the grilled cheese sandwich. The melt factor on the Cache Valley Creamery can't be beat.
Okay, so now how I make a grilled cheese, I get some bread, I slap as much butter as possibly, impossibly on it, and then I grill it. So how am I? What am I doing wrong?
So that's not wrong.
Okay.
But
okay.
I have experimented, and I have found that mixing butter and mayonnaise on the outside is a really good idea.
What does the mayonnaise do? So
the mayonnaise adds just a little bit of tang and helps the bread to brown more. The butter adds the flavor. And so, in this recipe, we're actually going to bake them.
Oh, okay. And really quick, equal? Am I equally equal parts butter? Equal, okay.
Yes. Yep.
I mean, so the mayo's giving it that tang.
Yes.
Okay, let's get going.
Okay.
Let's make us a grilled cheese.
We'll just start with. This is not near enough for these sandwiches.
Okay,
but,
well,
just spread
making us feel a little better by the small amount there.
Right.
Yes.
And I like to use sourdough bread. Just you want something with a good texture and a good flavor.
Okay. And are we buttering all 4 sides?
Just 2 sides.
Just 2 sides.
There is
You're
nothing
saving me some calories there, though.
There's nothing wrong with buttering 4 sides, but today we're going to butter the outsides.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Now you're telling me not 1, not 2, but 3 types of cheese.
Yes.
3.
Yeah.
Tell us what we're doing. Tell us what the cheese is.
So I looked for variety and complex flavors. So what I've got here is Cache Valley Creamery's medium cheddar, which adds a really nice tang.
The tang.
Their Havarti is kind of nutty.
Oh, Havarti.
And then Gouda is a little. Gouda is the one that's a little nutty, and Havarti is actually kind of sweet.
Oh, so you've got the nutty, the sweet, the tang, all marrying together in that melty goodness.
Right. So I'd like to use 2 slices of the medium cheddar.
Let's assemble. Let's do this.
Right.
2 of 2.
2, and then 1 of the Havarti and 1 of the Gouda.
There is a science to this.
Yeah.
2, 1, 1 is our ratio.
Yeah, and so another really great factor about Cache Valley Creamery, you would not believe how many varieties of pre-sliced cheese they have. So that cuts down a lot of time. It makes it super, I'm ready to go in the oven right there.
We're ready. Okay, so this is different now. I want you to explain. So we're not baking this in a pan. We're getting multiple done at once. We're baking it we're baking it instead of frying it.
Correct.
Why are we doing that?
So on my site, I show recipes for baking it and grilling it.
Okay.
But if you want to make a lot of sandwiches, it's excellent to bake it. If you want quick sandwiches, the baked method is the way, because you're going to put this on the pan on one side, bake it at 450 for about 4 minutes, then flip them over for about 3 or 4 minutes. More,
you can make
and it's
so
done.
many sandwiches.
Yeah.
You can feed a crowd.
Yep.
What is better than a grilled cheese sandwich in the dead of winter?
Exactly.
I love this. Okay, so if I'm maybe not a fan of one of these, or if I want to try something else, do you have any other combinations that you like with the Cache Valley cheeses?
So Cache Valley Creamery, because they have so many varieties, I love their mozzarella is a good cheese for melting. Their Swiss has a good tang. Not everyone loves extra sharp cheddar, but Cache Valley Creamery's extra sharp white cheddar is the best extra sharp cheese I've ever had. Their ingredients are just so, they're 100% owned by American dairy farmers. So you know that the ingredients are high quality and that means a lot as well.
Taking this from regular also into the ultimate, you're saying there's some add-ins you can put in this.
Yes.
What add-ins do you enjoy?
So bacon's a really good one to add on.
Add some bacon.
Pickles,
What's not better with bacon?
tomatoes.
Oh, pickles.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or mustard on the inside, or a nice aioli. What's, when you bake this one in the oven, no one's going to know you didn't grill it.
No one's going to know. No one's going to know.
It's the best thing for a nice sandwich soup combo. And you can also, after they're done, it's really good to chop them into bite-sized pieces, and then they could be croutons for the salad or the soup.
Because who doesn't want cheesy croutons in their salad? Right. Oh, Sally, this is so good. Where can we find more from Cache Valley Creamery?
So they have a website, cachevalleycreamery.com. They're on Facebook and Instagram, and I have several recipes on my site, gooddinnermom.com.
Sally, so yummy. You can catch me in the kitchen during the break eating this sandwich. Sally, we are going to link our viewers to your website, studio5.ksl.com, for more information.
Awesome.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.